Hi everyone, this is Ramnachari, lecturer in geology. Today topic is introduction muscle. What is the importance of muscle? And after that, structure of muscle. Main important two types of muscles. Three type of muscles are there: skeletal muscles and smooth muscles, cardiac muscles. The study of muscles is called that myology. Total human muscle, how many muscles are there? Totally 639. Some references 600, but clearly current references 639 muscles are there present. The largest muscle name is gluteus maximus. The smallest muscle is stapes muscle. This is the muscle information. The study of muscle is called that myology. Muscle means mouse. The meaning of muscle, mouse, little mouse. And after that, this is the muscle structure. This is the skeletal muscle, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. And structure of skeletal muscle. This is the different structure of skeletal muscle. Now continue topic. Muscles is a contractile tissue which bring about movement. This is the main important movement. Muscles cell responsible for our movement, both visible and invisible. Example: walking, talking, bowel movement, urination, breathing, and after that, muscles main bowel movement, urination, breathing, heartbeats, the dilation and constriction of the pupils of our eyes and many others. When we are still sitting or standing, muscle cells keep us erect. This is the points. Functions of muscle. The core functions of muscle is convert chemical energy into mechanical energy. This is the main important chemical energy converted to mechanical force. Producing movement, muscles move the bone of skeleton by their connective tissue attachment, enable all kinds of voluntary movement. Maintaining posture and body position. When not moving, the various parts of the supporting skeleton are held in position by isomeric muscle contraction, stabilizing joint. Maintains body temperature. Muscle contraction generates heat that is involved in maintaining body temperature. This is the functions of muscles. Next one, properties of muscles: excitability, contractibility, extensibility. First one is excitability. It is the ability to respond to a stimulus which may be delivered from a motor or a hormone. Excitability, muscles characters, properties. Contractibility, it is the ability of muscle cells to forcefully shorten. Contractibility. And extensibility is the ability to be stretched. Lack of extensibility is called spasticity. This is the common muscle information. Elasticity, it is the ability to recoil or bounce back to the muscle's original length after being stretched. This is the muscle important. Muscles have been classified using different criteria, namely location, appearance, and nature of regulation of their activities based on locomotion. Three type of muscles are identified. This is the three type of muscle. How many types? Three types. Number one is skeletal muscle. Number two is cardiac muscle. Number three is smooth muscles. Main important movement is one of the significant feature of living beings. Animals and plants exhibit a wide range of movements, and some of the movement result in a change of place or locomotion. Such voluntary movement are called locomotor movements. Main important three types of muscles also available. Three types. Number one is smooth muscles, skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. Three types. First one, this is the structure of muscle, skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscles are also called stripped muscles or voluntary muscles. Muscles, they are attached to bone and move the skeleton. The control of movement of the body in relation to the environment, example hands, arms, legs, neck, trunk, eyes. Skeletal muscles are multi-ciliate. Skeletal muscle is voluntary because its contraction is always stimulated and controlled by the nervous system. The central nervous system sends a signal to the muscles via nerves which then convert chemical energy to movement and the muscles. And after that, microanatomy of skeletal muscle. Microanatomy of skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscle cells develop when hundreds of individual embryonic cells is myoblast. And the resulting cell membrane is called the sarcolemma and the cytoplasm is called sarcoplasm. Skeletal muscles are very large. The diameter is about 100 microns and after that and they can be also long 30 to 40 centimeters. Skeletal muscle is multinucleate. The nuclei of the myoblast that refers to form to the cell remain within the cell. Some myoblasts do not fuse but remain associated and the fiber as satellite cells can divide it in differentiated to repair damaged cell. Okay everyone, once again this is the skeletal muscle, structure of skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscle main important role. Skeletal muscles are the structure of skeletal muscle. Each muscle the skeletal muscle main important each organized skeletal muscle is our body is made up of number of muscle bundles and after that each fascicle contain this is the each fascicle contain a number of cylindrical muscle fibers. The fascicles are held together by common collagenous connective layer by fascia. And after that, each muscle fiber is lined by the plasma membrane. This is the east muscle plasma lemma. And after that, skeletal muscle fiber is a syncytium as each fiber is forced to fusion of embryonic mononucleate myoblasts. Each myobrial has alternate dark and light bonds, and after that this is the different bonds. If this one is the light bond contain actin and two regulatory proteins called troponin and tropomyosin. Actin myosin, troponin, tropomyosin. The light bond is called I band. The light bond I bond and isolated bond, that's one. The dark bond is A bond. Light bond, dark bond, A bond, or anisotropic and contain myosin. And the structural functional unit of the structural functional unit of muscle sarcomere. This is the skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscle controlled muscle, voluntary muscle. This is the bone structure, and this is the different parts: epimysium, perimysium, and endomysium. Perimysium, epimysium total covered muscle structure. Perimysium some bundles covered, but endomysium this is the fibers covered. And in nucleus structure, myofibril, fascicles, and different type of blood vessels. This red color, muscle structure is red color. Why? Because myoglobin is also present. Myoglobin. This is the muscle structure. The structure of skeletal muscle. This is the structural function unit of skeletal muscle. That one is sarcomere. This is the information skeletal muscle. I bond, isolated bond, dark bond, A bond. Two bonds are available. And after that, Cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle the present in heart. It continue. This is the uncontrolled muscle, involuntary muscle. It constitute bulk of the heart walls. Many cardiac muscle cells assemble in a branching pattern to form a cardiac muscle. Based on appearance, cardiac muscles are striated. They are involuntary in nature as the nervous system does not control their activities directly. Most of us have no conscious control how fast of our heart beats. Cardiac muscles fibers each have 1 to 2 nucleus and are physically and electrically connected to each other. This is the cardiac muscle. And the structure of cardiac muscle, this one, gap junctions, and after that cardiac myocytes are short branched muscle cells. Different so cardiac myocytes act as a single function unit. This is the cardiac muscle. And properties of cardiac muscle mean rhythmicity, conductivity, and excitability. This is the properties of cardiac muscles. And after that, smooth muscle. Smooth muscle is also present in eyes where there is function to change the size of the iris and alter the shape of the lens. Smooth muscle is present in the walls of the hollow organs like the urinary bladder, uterus, stomach, intestine, and in the wall of the passageways such as the arteries and veins to the circular system and the tract of the respiratory, urinary, and reproductive system. These are totally smooth muscles. In the skin, where it causes hair to stand erect in response to cold temperature of air. This is the comparison of muscle types: locomotion, innervation, appearance, fibral diameter, fibral length, fibral appearance, and nucleus. This is the locomotion attached to bone. This one is heart. This is the visceral organs. This is the innervation, somatic voluntary, and autonomic involuntary, autonomic involuntary. And appearance: straighted, non-straighted, and fibral diameter, and fibral length, and fibral appearance, nucleus. This is the comparison of the muscle types. Okay everyone, today topic, the study of muscles is called that myology. Muscles are very important role, movements, and muscles 639, largest muscles gluteus maximus, smallest muscles stapes, and muscles 3 types: skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, cardiac muscles. Information. Okay everyone, this is the today topic. Do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.